What's up everyone, welcome to the Switching Gears channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're returning, thanks for coming back. Now within the next few videos I have coming out, we are going to be doing a complete stage 1 on my Harley Davidson Road Glide special. Now what that entails is we will be upgrading the exhaust, the air filter, and adding a tuner as well. Now just in today's video, we are going to be removing the stock air cleaner and adding the ARLEN NESS Monster Sucker air cleaner. This is the same air cleaner I had on my Lowrider S. If you've seen it before, I never made a video on it, but we're going to be changing that today. Only this time it'll be on a Road Glide. Now let's quit talking about it and get her done. Let's go. Now that we removed the stock air cleaner, we're going to go ahead and start piecing together the ARLEN NESS Monster Sucker air cleaner onto the bike. Now I didn't mention it earlier in the video, but this kit comes with everything you need in order to install this air cleaner. Now first we got to install the backing plate and the cover that's going to cover up these electrical wires. Cover is simple enough. It comes with these 3 bolts and washers. You put them all in there, tighten them down nice and snug. Then you're going to go ahead and put the rubber gaskets into their little spots here. If you put a little grease on the back of them, it should hold them in place. After all that, you're going to want to take your rubber gasket here, line it up with the holes of course, and make sure this dip lines up with this dip right here. You're going to want to grab the longer of the 3 bolts here to slide in and lightly tighten them down on here. That way we can seat everything up. Let's get to it. I apologize, I didn't capture it on the camera, but simple enough. You're just going to put this elbow on. There's going to be a bolt that goes here, right over in here, and then one up top here. Make sure they're seated down. Now with the provided primer, you're going to want to crush it and then go ahead and wipe it all over the edges right here. That way when we place this backing plate on there, it seats nice and perfect. Alright, now that this primer is dry and we remove the 3M backing tape, let's go ahead and put this cover on. Alright, now time to put that air filter on. Let's go ahead and remove this little plastic cover from the chrome. Today's video, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that alert button. That way you can be reminded what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. Thanks again, y'all. See you on the next one.